Welcome back, everyone. Today, let's redeem our free bonus points. After you sign up, it's going to ask you to verify your email. TunPick and TronPick will ask you to verify as well. Go to your email and select the verify link they send to you. When you're done, go back to your Faucet homepage and choose Bonus. It's right next to your hourly Faucet button. Once you select it, scroll down and choose the Roll button. Do this 10 times until you run out of claims. Now that you've made all your claims, go to TunPick and make your bonus claims there as well. TronPick is exactly the same, so we don't need to show it in this tutorial. When you're done, you can wait another hour to claim from the hourly Faucet, or you can play games to increase your balance. Good luck. I hope you hit the jackpot. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe.